Okay, now our chief benefactor has to leave, so we're going to go to the Anti-Kelas and go back to other awards. Now, what are the Anti-Kela awards? Let me explain. We'd like to honor the martyrs, the brave souls who forsake fame and fortune to make the new and different sort of films that make no money, well, maybe little money, and probably gets them very little work later, which is why all of them were free on a Saturday night to come all the way to Delhi to pick up this damn award. I'm sorry. Presenting the brand new Anti-Kelas for the saving graces of 2010. Yes, the first Anti-Kela of the Year award goes to Do Duni Char for showing us it is possible to fit both Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh on a single scooter.
मर्सिडीज गाड़ी में आ रहे थे, टक्कर होगी ट्रक से, मर्सिडीज खत्म, फैमिली भी फुल एंड फाइनल।
कौन विश्वास करेगा कि आपके पास मर्सिडीज थी?
अरे एम्बेसडर में मरवा दे यार।
Yes, Do Duni Char, and to present this award, I'd like to call Mr. O.P. Misra, GM of Delhi Tourism, who is the person who was happiest by all the promotion Mr. Habib Faisal has done for the city of New Delhi in this film. Mr. O.P. Misra, is he here? Mr. O.P. Misra, if you can please come forward to accept the award. Yes, he's coming, rather to present the award. And Habib Faisal, if you can come forward to get the award. A big hand for Habib Faisal, ladies and gentlemen. He put Rishi Kapoor, he put Neetu Singh, he put a scooter all in one frame. So you're the first genuine winner to come forward and accept an award really in the spirit. So, ek do shabd if you don't mind to the audience.
I hope I don't get a Kela next year.
All right. If you attend, you'll get no Kela. That's the motivation we're giving the stars. Come and no Kela for you. Habib Faisal, please give him a big hand. He's been sporting enough to come here. Of course, this is an anti-Kela, which means love and respect, and not Kela, which means a little bit of the opposite. Okay, next is Ishqiya for showing us it is possible to make a hit starring Arshad Varsi, Vidya Balan, without Sanjay Dutt. And to present this award, I'd like to call Mr. Sanjay Arora from Kohinoor Foods, our chief benefactor. Let's take a look at Ishqiya.
खालू तुम उड़ाओ। क्यों? क्यों क्या खालू तुम उड़ाओ ना? तू क्यों नहीं उड़ाता? अरे खालू तुम क्यों नहीं उड़ा रहे हो? क्योंकि मुझे इस हरामजादी से इश्क हो गया है। ये सही है खालू। तुम्हारा इश्क इश्क का और हमारा इश्क सेक्स।
Yes, Mr. Sanjay Arora, if you can please come forward to give away this award. Mr. Sanjay Arora, of course, is mostly responsible for us having this award tonight. Please give him a special hand. Any film star or film director, producer related to Mr. Arora will not be given a Kela in future. Just please come forward and tell us that. And yes, to accept the award, Ishqiya, a film which made a lot of noise and did very well, so it comes in our anti-Kela category, is the producer Vishal Bharadwaj and the director, the one and only, sitting right there in his green shirt, looking very resplendent, young Mr. Chaubey. Sir, producer. Please, please.
Yeah, there is one more person I would like to call on stage. Our writer and our friend, a brilliant, brilliant writer who wrote Monsoon Wedding. And then she wrote Ishqiya and Kamine, Sabrina Dhawan. She's from New York. She teaches screenwriting in New York. Fantastic writer. And Ishqiya is Ishqiya, I think, because she contributed so much in the film.
The team of Ishqiya, ladies and gentlemen, it's an anti-Kela award. Let me again remind you, this is for a brilliant film, not for a not-so-brilliant film. So this is almost like we are wannabe film fair for 5 minutes. And as you can tell from the acceptance speech, it was a film fair moment. Oh, okay, we've got 3 awards. So I hope it's the right award. If it's not, we'll correct it and send it later. इसकिया तो लिखा है कम से कम. ठीक है विशाल, happy? Out of all the awards you've achieved, and you've achieved many, where do you rank the Anti-Kela award? Highest top! Sona! He's not the guy who likes to make jokes and say silly things. When he says it, he means it. Highest top. Sir, sub paper mein aayenge, sir.
Yeah, and thank God it was not produced by Yashraj. Otherwise, I would have got it. Because that's the feeling I am getting. Whatever, I mean, Band Baja Barat, I have not seen. It's supposed to be a good film. Mayank is sitting over here. Please say. I have not seen. You are a critic. Now you have to stand and tell me. I want to ask you, how is Band Baja Barat?
Yes, Mayank.
You didn't like it too much. Oh, okay. Anybody else liked it?
Who likes?
Yeah.
Brothers don't put your hands up.
Yeah, no. There are a lot of people who liked. And I think music nominations, Tere Naina was a good song. Tere Naina was not a bad song. Yeah. ये देखिए अरोड़ा साहब भी बोल रहे हैं अभी तो मानना पड़ेगा नहीं तो किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा एकदम यहीं पे बंद करना पड़ जाएगा thanks a lot.
Please give a big hand to the team of Ishkia as well as to Mr. Sanjay Arora who has to leave us now, folks. Thank them for coming and being sporting, and of course the Anti-Kela is not put in because we are hoping to bribe a star to come next year. That's not the reason. The reason is just we thought it's a good idea to have 3-4 good awards as well. Right, Jatin? Nalayak. Okay. Sold out at the last minute. Doesn't matter. Chalo, theek hai, we'll move on. Have they left? Now can we make fun of everyone else? Okay. Band Baja Barat sucks! No, I'm kidding. Okay. Then we have Tere Bin Laden, who hasn't seen this movie, for showing us it is possible to make a film with Bin Laden. Okay, folks, let's take a look at a clip.
Osama, गुजर गया क्या? आधी दुनिया समझती है कि वो मर गया और आधी दुनिया उसे ढूंढी जा रही है। देखना, ये देगा हमें लाखों रुपए। Unbelievable. मैंने शीशा तो दिखा दो यार।
All right, and to present this award, we have a very special guest. I'd like to call on stage, I can't believe this, but apparently terrorism is going through a recession. Mr. What rather we call him in Delhi, Shri Osama Bin Laden. Seems rather friendly here. Gets a lot of bad press, I feel. Kaise ho, sir?
Habibi Cyrus Brocha.
Habibi yourself, sir. Habibi. And the winner, of course, of this wonderful award, well, we have Pradyuman Singh from Tere Bin Laden. Here he is.
Laden versus Laden.
Pradyuman Singh, you are being challenged for the sequel by you are the original, right?
Yes.
आप तो है the real.
Yes.
अगर आप Osama Bin Laden है, तो what is your father's name?
Bin Laden.
Wrong answer. It's Sherry. Pradyuman Singh, ladies and gentlemen, set the screen alive. Tere Bin Laden. Sir, please come in. Very emotional moment. Again, a feeling we were back in Filmfare. Senior actor's feet being touched by the junior actor, who is now going to be the senior actor in the next year. And of course, the senior actor is finished. Thank you. Is there anything else you want to say, or behave like an umpire in a World Cup match? First and foremost, the script says he has to come in a wheelchair and I get to kick him. What happened to that? In many cultures, the first finger means many different things. Thank you, Osama Bin Laden. And thank you for... Huh? Pradyuman, you haven't said acceptance speech. Ladies and gentlemen, Pradyuman.
ओ की पकड़ी है पैंच
ये है dialogue, ये है lyrics. People don't get it, yaar. Let it be, chalo. Moving on, Love, Sex and Dhokha, for showing us it is possible to make a film without a tripod. Although the actors use the tripod off camera, but that's another thing. Ladies and gentlemen, Love, Sex or Dhokha.
Hi, hello, how are you? How और क्या?
Okay. This award, unfortunately, will have to be taken by anyone here who's had sex today. Because there's no one from Love, Sex or Dhoka. Now, love, I don't want to get into. It's a very difficult thing to explain. Or dhoka ka matlab kya hai, I don't know. So that leaves us with sex. Anybody here who's had sex today? Please come forward. You're smiling, Baba. Kitna baar kiya, sir? Professional. But we have, yes, this gentleman in the white shirt. Vicky. Ricky. Obviously, you've had sex with lots of people. They're all shouting Ricky, piche se. And let me see out of the 7-5 are men. Jatin. Come on, don't waste time, Jatin. Come and take the award, yaar. The footage khayega aap log. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, big hand. Love, Sex or Dhoka award being taken by a man who's dedicated his life to one of those three things. What are you doing this? What kind of vulgar gesture is that? आप preparation में हो? Very good. Okay. Acceptance speech quickly. 1 second.
आज सेक्स किया था.
आज सेक्स किया था मगर अपने आप के साथ.
अपना हाथ जगन्नाथ.
Stop it. We are going down. It's becoming more and more lowbrow. Next they'll call it a Filmfare Award. What is this? Stop, I say, young man. All right. We have, I think, two more Anti-Kela awards. Here is Peoply Live for showing us it is possible to make a film without any good-looking people. This we really respect. Here is Peoply Live.
सुन नहीं रहा है.
ज्यादा ना बोल अम्मा, नहीं तो डूब जाएगा.
ओए डूबे हमारे दुश्मन. क्या कहने नहीं डूब जाते. जिंदगी हराम कर दिया ना बाप रे. कैसा घुप के नाय बैठा है रे.
In a tiny corner of a giant country, a poor farmer.
Peoply Live. Do we have anyone here who can take this award? Peoply Live. Anyone interested? Anyone here who feels they're not very good looking? If not, I'll have to take it. So very fast. Anyone here who now people are feeling very conscious suddenly? Jatin, would you like to come back? Okay, you're busy. Okay. Peoply Live Award I will keep, since I understand what they went through with those kind of actors. We'll move on to the next one. This is Udaan for showing us it's possible to make a film without a single item number. Let's take a look at a clip. Yes, Udaan, ladies and gentlemen, Vikramaditya Motwani's video was just played there. That also did as well as the film.
Thank you for the this Anti-Kela award, or the Anti-Kela award for the Saving Grace, whatever. It's just thank you. Receiving an award from a bunch of people who are actually looking at the worst in Bollywood, I think is a little bit better and more honorable, I think, to win this award than from the regular bunch of people. So I'm very honored. Thank you very much. This is the 30th award that anybody's counting, but I think it means the most to me purely because it's been taken by a bunch of critics and a bunch of people who want to see excellence in Indian cinema. And if Udaan is taken as one of those films that is somewhere maybe searching for a little bit of excellence, then it means a big deal. So thank you for the Anti-Kela or the golden papaya, mango, whatever you want to call it. Thank you. I really wanted to be there at the Golden Kela Awards, and I can't come because my wife knew something about her dog. I'm not even sure. Next time.
We don't have anyone again to take this award. A sad commentary of our times. Such prestigious awards are going untaken by anyone. So this lovely lady, since she passes at the wrong time in the purple dress, shirt. Ma'am, can you come back down and take the award? Please, we don't have anyone else. I can't embarrass other people. Please come and take the award. Be a nice girl. We've also... Which publication do you represent? Times of India. Put it on the front page. Yeah. We ran out of awards, so no, you can take the whole cap. Ladies and gentlemen, representing Vikramaditya Motwani. Yeah, go ahead. Look at the audience and enjoy the moment. Representing the Udaan crew, what is your name? Raymond, isn't that a boy's name? Okay, we'll make another movie on you later now. Thank you very much. Raymond, And that's the end of the Chamchagiri Awards, the Anti-Kela Awards, the Being Nice to People Awards. Let's go back to what are you doing returning my cap? What kind of women are here? Really, no respect for older people.